I've got something I want to show you today, and it's to do obviously with LCD refurbishing. So what I've got in front of me is a 6S LCD, and it's been cleaned, and as you can see, try and focus it on the actual screen, you can actually see that it is clean, and most of you would be ready to put on the glass. But if you wait a second, I've got this light. It's a high powered green LED light. If I flick that on, watch what happens to the screen. Try and get it to focus on there. It's so bright it's hard to actually even see it, so let me try and tone that down a little bit. If I bring that back, can you see those white specks? Now if I turn the light off, you won't be able to see them. So gone, and then they're back again. So if I move that back, can you see that? All those white specks. So as soon as I turn it off, nothing there. And now they're back as soon as you turn that light on. So this light is excellent, because what it allows you to do is ensure that you have a dust-free finish for every single LCD that gets refurbished. And what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description to this light. I was recommended this light by my friend Ian. It's definitely worth buying, obviously, especially if you are refurbishing LCDs, because you could be thinking that your screens are like completely clean, but when you turn on the light you actually realise that how many specks of dust are on there, and you want to ideally pick up on these things before you laminate the glass rather than after. So if you have any questions, do send a message or get in touch, and yeah, as I said, link will be in the description for the light. It is on AliExpress and there is DHL shipping available. Obviously shipping options will vary on your location and you know, where you are in the world, but for me, being in the UK, I was able to get it on DHL and it came in like 2 or 3 days. Okay, so hopefully this has been useful to you, and I'll see you next time.